Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Rhoda and I post videos around home decor and styling on a budget, DIYs and also thrifts. So if that's your jam, please consider hitting the subscribe button so that you can join my growing family. Yeah, so on today's video, I'm going to be sharing my living room makeover, and this is how my living room looked like before. And I want to say that I didn't do this all at once because I was doing it on a budget. I just did bits and pieces over time. Yeah, so I'm going to start by changing this console table to go there because I want to use that switch down there. And yeah, so let's jump right in and I hope you enjoy the video. So I started by removing this DIY basket wall, and it's one of my first DIY projects that I ever did on this channel. And if you're interested in this, you can check out that video. So after I was done with removing that basket wall, I wanted to fill up these holes that it had left on the wall because I could not work on the wall when the holes were still there. So I just used my sandpaper to smoothen out the holes so that it would be easier for me to fill them. Then to fill the holes, I just mixed some wall plaster with some water, and I just tried my best to cover the holes, all the holes with the plaster. Just make sure you achieve the right consistency while mixing the plaster. It should not be too runny or too thick because it dries fast. So the next step was removing this floating console from the wall so that I can put it on the other side. And then I have to remove the wall plugs from the holes that I had drilled, and then I fill the holes on this side as well.
Taking you in this moment, come get close like you own name. Read your aura, you want more of all this love, you'll be your name. Release all of your burdens, it's been me you'll be searching. Take a load off and your clothes off, just relax, you deserve it. You keep me up at night, got you all on my mind. Seem like that's hard to find when they keep playing games. Gazing into my eyes, give me them butterflies. Take me from low to highs, what you hear every day. Can't get enough. You get me stuck. I'm more than a snack, I'll be your dinner. Got nothing to lose cause I'm a winner. I got everything here to offer, everybody else is a beginner. I do more than talk, yeah, I deliver. Don't worry about me cause I'm a giver. Daddy, I'll do anything so I can make you mine. Can't get you out my sight, take me to paradise. My name your favorite line, calling me on the flame. Don't ever have to try, come let me be your guy. And if you're down to ride, follow me, I'm the way. Can't get enough. You get me stuck. Set the mood, I make you feel right. Take a chance and come roll the dice. Hope you're landing on me tonight. Might as well let our hearts collide. Set the mood, I'll make you feel right. Take a chance and come roll the dice. Hope you're landing on me tonight. Might as well let our hearts collide. Set the mood, I'll make you feel right. Take a chance and come roll the dice. Hope you're landing on me tonight. Might as well let our hearts collide. Set the mood, I'll make you feel right. Take a chance and come roll the dice. Hope you're landing on me tonight. Might as well let our hearts collide. Can't get enough. You can be stuck. Can't get enough.
So this is how it turned out, and I love it. And now I just wanted to make a similar mirror to this one for the other side where I had removed the floating console. So I collected these pieces of woods. These are just scraps of wood that I have been saving up from the DIYs that I've been making out of wood, and I've also collected some from my local carpenter. So I just got a piece of board and I just stuck them using white glue, and this was a very fun and easy project. It was just applying the glue and then sticking the pieces to the board. After I was done, I just went to a mirror shop and bought the mirror and stuck it, and this is how the project turned out. I really loved it, and I stained the pieces of wood using a mahogany stain, and this is how the final project looks. I love it. The next project was this DIY wood slat wall for my accent wall, and I just used my drill to drill holes, and then I secured the slats to the wall using screws like that. You can see that. And that was it. It was a very fast project. And now to the fun part. Because I had gotten rid of the old seats that we had, and it was too expensive to get new ones like the ones that I had originally planned for. We got these ones from a second-hand place, and I just thrifted these pillows, and this is how it looks. I love it. It looks very expensive, and it was quite cheap to source them. This is how it looks. Please let me know down below if I should paint these seats white. I had the idea, but I've not really decided. Let me know down in the comment section below if I should paint them white or just leave them black like this. I would really love to hear from you. And now guys, let's now see the before and after of my projects.
Lazy Sunday mornings, hiding under covers. I don't mind staying in with you. Play your favorite movie, laying right beside me. I don't mind when it's just us two. That corner coffee shop we like to go. Late night walks with you to take me home. With you I never feel alone.
These little songs make me glad to call you mine. And you have got my head in the clouds. Oh, 1, 2, 3.
All that I need is your body next to me on rainy days. Just need your company, don't need too much. Just your simple love and it's everything. The simple joy of hearing your voice every morning. I wake to a kiss on my face, so I don't need too much. Just your simple love and it's everything.
Walking to the market, strolling hand in hand, exchanging letters when you're away. Don't need any effort when we are together. We always have fun throughout the day. I'll do anything to get your attention. When you say you love me, I seem to ascend to the heavens above, where we fall in love. I don't know what I would do without you, because all I need is you. Make me fly to the clouds.